was just looking at this. I was thinking earlier how awesome would
Yeah.
be really good.
That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. That's it.
I love this. Is my favorite.
This is great.
This looks amazing. It's not so good synchronized, but I love the way it's being sort of.
Yeah, but I think it's.
No, it looks really
It's
nice.
yeah.
I think there's something in front of the projector. Maybe that her case.
Sorry.
I think Gina's case is a little bit in the way.
Is it?
Yeah. It's a little bit. Oh no, sorry, on the other side. Sorry. Something is in front.
Oh god, yeah, the trumpet.
Okay.
But like also, if you wanted to get a more narrative-based thing, I'm sure you could film like this, like you've gone to this place,
Yeah.
and like you've got those random things that trigger when you step into a certain place. Instead of doing like something that's random and not part of the scenery, you could have event like story events triggered.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, that would make sense.
Fit them into the area, the space that you're in.
Yeah, that's.
So like if you go down one tunnel and get to a certain
Oh my god.
Is that a whole like
Number 9 you're after.
Oh no, this one.
Yeah,
I
that's
love the music for this. It's very nice. Because this was what it mainly was about. Because
This
we
is the
did
one we did this
rig
morning, like
and-
literally at the last minute.
Yeah, and the rig and everything.
you filmed this bit this morning?
No, we edited.
Oh, I just.
My batteries keep going.